I started by identifying what I felt was the biggest challenges that my students had. That was word problems. As a math teacher, I suppose that was not too surprising because, in fact, I was not a fan of story problems when I was in math. But anyway, I digress. So once I decided that that was the biggest challenge, I happened to have two dyslexic students in my class. I wanted to try to figure out how I could help those students in their learning of story problems because I figured that if I was supporting them, I would be able to be supporting most other students. In talking to them, they said that tracking from the board to their notes was extremely difficult. And I envisioned that trying to take notes of word problems up on the board could be particularly challenging. So I decided to start making guided notes. I had one chapter where we covered application problems, and so I decided that one quarter I would just make guided notes for that chapter. What I found is in my evaluations at the end of the quarter, the thing that students mentioned the most that they liked and found most useful in my class were those guided notes. It came from all students, not just those with disabilities or identified learning challenges. That's the thing that I love so much about universal design for learning is that it is truly universal.